What's up, creators? Today I want to show you how you can do well on your task 1. As you can see, here's the type of families and here's the proportions. So this one is given with a percentage and this one is given with the numbers as well. So I'll try to write as simple as possible. So first of all, I want to categorize them because as you can see that we have the lowest ones here. I want to give them a color like, let's say, the yellow one to notice them easily. And as you can see, this one has this one is both couples with children or without children. So I want to categorize them as well into one category. I want to give them green because why not? Yeah, and green. And this one has the highest percentage, so it's really easy to notice. And during exam you have a pencil, so you can circle them or you can give them somehow a mark with your pencil. All right, I want to give them not the red color because it hurts the eyes, so I want to not the blue one. Yeah, I guess how about this color? Yeah, then it's gonna be the same, like this blue is fitting somehow. Yeah, I want to give this blue here. And this one is talk about old house. So old households 11%. So I want to give them this gray color. I want to give gray color. Okay, I'll give gray color. Here I give them colors and I categorize them. So first one I want to write introductions, and I'll write an overall, then I'll do body paragraphs. Okay, let's stick with that. So I'll start paraphrasing this part. Here you can see that I'll write sentence that has the same meaning with this. So I want to just change a little bit this first of all writing tape. Okay, I want to change this to 14 here. Alright, there's a table, or it's just a bold. I want to change it bold as well. So okay, let's get started. So it's not a bold anymore. Alright, so let's get started. The table gives information about the poverty rates among six type of households in Australia in the year 1999. So before we get to overall, I want to mention that I may make some typing mistake, but this computer fixed it up, so don't mind it, please. So alright, so this one is giving the same meaning like here. Just paraphrase it, that we showed our vocabulary and the grammar. Don't forget that you're getting high mark because of your vocabulary and grammar first of all. Alright, then we move to overall. Yeah, let's start with this one, then move to this one. Alright, singles without any children and sole parent were the highest in percentages. As you can see, this one's the highest in percentage, but this one is highest with the numbers. So I want to mention this as well a little bit here. So whilst the poverty rate was considerably lower among elderly people. Okay, here we have our old part where we give an overall overview. So let's get started to body, where I'll start giving details for each one of them. So as can be seen that 11% of all households in Australia yeah, I want to give just a little bit additional information comprising about, as you can see, it's about 2 million people. I want to mention this was as well, comprising about 2 million people. About 2 million people were below the poverty line. I should have said poverty line. So as you can see that we just described this one clearly into detail, that we show the percentage as well. We should just give the number as well. But for the rest one, I don't want to tell you the numbers. I will just give some. I will just mention their percentage. And yeah, let's get started. So those, and yeah, I want to give this highest ones here, and then I'll move to the lower ones. So I want to start with the highest to the lowest. Okay, those consisting of which one? This couple, no children. No, it's about single, no children. Those consisting of singles without children and sole parents had the greatest figures with 19 and 21% respectively. So as you can see that we finished these two we already covered them up, that those consisting of singles without children and sole parent had the greatest figures with 19 and 21% respectively. So now I want to move to the couple no children and couple with children. Couples generally generally tended to be better off with lower poverty rate, poverty levels, I should say level, for the ones, as you can see, for the ones like no children, it's 7%. With the ones with lower poverty level, for the ones without any children, that I want to mention the details into here. I don't want to write them inside outside, so I'll give them a bracket here, as you can see, like with children 7%, and then those with, okay, we mentioned them here. Though with the ones with the children, it's a 12% here. I want to say 12%. It's 12%. Okay, it's good in it. So we're done with this here. That the first one is already finished. That we covered up all this. Even I should have included this one as well. Here we covered up all. So now only we're living with these two, the lowest ones. So I've written this one here. So I want to move to the other parts. So older people were generally less likely to be poor, So once again, trend like a trend favor them, because you can see that if the aged couple, they're lower, even couples have a lower level. Aged person is a bit higher than that. So once again, the trend favored elderly couples. Like I should just read here, only 4%, rather single elderly people. I should say the people. Okay, here we have this one, and 6. Yeah, I should say 6%. So the table we have already mentioned all the details. That I want to give some additional information to make it like over 150. So the table suggests that, as you can see here, if they have a single adults and sole parents, and if they have a children, they are more likely to be poor, that live in the poverty level, rather than those without children. Okay, the table suggests that households of adults and single adults and those with children were, I shouldn't make a mistake with the tenses, were more likely to be living in poverty than those consisting of only couples. Yeah, we finished our body part as well. So far so good, that we covered up every single details. That if you have any questions, I will be more than glad to answer any question that light up the darkness. Bye.